Pick your hero. Or villain. I'm not judging. Before you attack, get ready. Be your best self.
Moon Knight, I hear you've got a knack for tech.
Yeah, and I got friends to help.
Huh. You know, you should invest in a way to hide in the dark. Like maybe black clothes.
The moon is white, Stark. It shines in the night. So why?
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
I love what Loki's done with the place. Classic late medieval megalomaniac.
There they are. I like the cold. Looks like the mission area is yours to capture now. They captured the mission area.
I need to buy a new PC.
Leave them to Khonshu! Right to
Their team's capture progress has passed the halfway point.
friends in the
A
sea.
nice deep freeze. Time to celebrate. For an encore.
Found one of our targets. Spider pride.
It's the grand finale. I am ready to put on a show. Captured more than half of the mission area. Keep going. Control lost.
Now Hulk mad!
I like the cold.
I'm guessing those are the bad guys. It's my turn.
You'll have to keep fighting until we have a winner. Get ready.
What is shark thing with feet? Hulk like shark thing.
Dr. Doom tore everything apart. I want to be a part of putting it back together. Be your best self.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
A nice deep freeze.
Where's the capture now? They captured the mission area!
I am ready to put on a show. Blow up.
My found some sort of spider nest. Gross. Leave me to touch you. Now my fists are all slimy.
I like the cold. Thanks so much.
You've captured more than half of the mission area. Keep going.
Those guys are about to shoot at us.
Monsters next time, Fish Man.
Gotta keep it up. Squints. Namor wasn't bad enough on his own.
The area's almost yours.
Freeze.
Get ready to lock and overload.
It's party time!
I am ready to put on a show. I like the cold.
I love you, Jeff.
I love him too.
Be strong together.
30 seconds before you attack. Get ready.
What is shark thing with feet? Hulk like shark thing. Not used to being a hero.
A little healing to kill.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
Target-rich environment.
A nice deep freeze.
Jeff, you just saved my life, bro. You're the GOAT.
Mission area is yours. Double KO. That's 3.
Done. What's next? Do we even have a plan? Time to... That's me.
Squinch! Strong again!
Fear best self.
There's gonna be a fight!
I squish those squids.
I don't have to be center stage.
You've captured more than half of the mission area. Keep going.
It's the grand finale.
Stop, Spider-Man! Stop! Strong again!
I like the cold.
It's spider time!
Fear best self.
Glory's almost yours.
We turn that shit around quick. You guys are the GOATs, for real.
For real. For real.